अष्टोत्तर शतश्री श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री वामन गोस्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमल में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज के अभय चरण कमलों में अनंत बड़ी साष्टांग दंडवत ज्ञापन करता हूँ। तदनंतर उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव वैष्णववृंद महात्मा सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा यथार्थ दंडवत प्रणाम करता हूँ। अभी 2 दिवस जगत हम लोग नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर भक्ति विज्ञान महाराज की अप्राकृत जीवन चरित कथा वैष्णव के मुखारविंद के श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
So for last 2 days we are hearing the glory of Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj for last 2 days. So everybody according to their point of view they are describing his vichar, his idleness. So everything they are describing. They are giving the Pushpanjali in his lotus feet according to their intelligence, whatever they got.
धूप और अगरबत्ती और दीपक देकर के गुरु पूजा नहीं।
So just like performing while agarbatti and giving the flowers to the feet, it's not kind of
मानो के अर्पित करना जैसे हम कहते हैं।
it's not like the following the tithi of the Vaishnav. It is not the Vyas Puja which we call the Pushpanjali. Pushpanjali, what is Pushpanjali actually? Pushpa means flower.
किंतु पुष्प के एक नाम है क्या? सुमन।
There is another name of flower which is Suman.
सुंदर।
Su means beautiful.
सुंदर मन।
Man means heart. So Sundar Man, beautiful heart.
सुंदर मन के द्वारा ही हम
So by the beautiful heart we can
पूजा
worship our Gurudev.
यदि मन पवित्र नहीं
If your heart is not pious,
अनेक प्रकार के द्रव्य सामग्री देने से पूजा नहीं।
so if you offer so many kinds of ingredients, so this is not the Guru Puja.
वास्तव में
So it is said actually
एक ही तात्पर्य
there is one meaning of Guru Puja,
मन आदि कैसे
that how we can clean our pure heart under the feet of our Guru and Vaishnav.
उसी कड़ी में हम जो श्रवण कर रहे हैं।
So in this chant we are hearing Srila Maharaj Ji how
गुरु सेवा वैष्णव सेवा आदि करते
he did Guru Seva and Vaishnav Seva. He taught a lesson to everybody. He showed the idol to everybody.
वास्तव वस्तु का हम प्राप्त कर सकते हैं।
So why his nature, why his behavior, only we can get the assets of his behavior following his instructions.
संपत्ति के उत्तराधिकारी कौन है?
So who is the inheritors of the Guru's property? What is the assets of Gurudev?
मंदिर है,
Temple,
बैंक में कितने पैसे रखा है,
whatever the bank balance he has.
संसार के लोग तो यही सोचते
So the people, the worldly people thinks like that, but actually what is the assets of Gurudev?
कौन संपत्ति बड़ी गणी। महाप्रभु रायरमन के संवाद में क्या
In the Mahaprabhu Rai Raman Samvad, what is the sampat, assets of
प्रेम धन धनी।
Krishna Prem Dhan Dhani? Who has the love of Krishna? Who has the love of Krishna? He is the topmost rich.
यथार्थ जो शिष्य जो है वो गुरुदेव के कौन सा धन को लेते हैं? उसके प्रेम।
So who the idol disciples, what they takes? They always takes the Prem Dhan of Krishna Prem Dhan. They accept only that.
कैसे आए?
That's assets.
रिक्त अवस्था में, रिक्त माने हाथ में कुछ खाली हाथ।
When our Param Gurudev he came, he was totally empty-handed, because we have seen externally that he had nothing, but what kind of money he has? He had the Krishna Prem Dhan, the Guru Prem Dhan he had. So how we can get this kinds of Prem Dhan? that
वो
assets.
प्रेम धन प्राप्ति के
For
उपाय
getting
क्या है?
this prem dhan, the assets,
गुरु के अनुगत्य।
so taking the shelter of
गुरु के
Guru.
चरण में अपने को अर्पित कर
We have to surrender ourselves in the Guru's feet. That's why Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, he used to give an example.
देखो हम लोग ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा करते करते
We
कहाँ जाते हैं? पैठा गाँव।
we used to go in Braj Mandal Parikrama in Petagaon. Petagaon.
कौन कौन गए पैठा गाँव?
Who has been Petagaon? Most of the people has been there, maybe.
अच्छा,
Very nice.
पैठा गाँव की शिक्षा उन्होंने देखो रात करते करते कृष्ण ने क्या की?
When Krishna was performing Ras,
रात से अंदर ध्यान
so he disappeared from there.
कृष्ण गोपियों के साथ हास परिहास करने के लिए क्या की? रात से अंदर
When Krishna was doing the Ras and disappeared from that Ras for laughing and joking with the gopis, then gopis were searching him.
और कृष्ण देखा क्या? गोपियां तो पकड़ ली।
And Krishna, what he saw,
कुंज में
that
जाकर के कृष्ण ने क्या की?
Gopiya cannot see me. So Krishna, what he said, what he did, he took the four arms form, Shankra Chakra Padagadma form, and he was hiding in the kunja. So some gopis,
आगे चल पड़ी।
they were searching the Krishna, and they were looking Krishna here and there. So what they saw in that kunj,
चतुर्भुज नारायण खड़े हुए।
so Chaturbhuj Narayan is there, and they do the pranam there, and they said, you are not our Krishna, and they did the pranam and moved forward.
फिर राधा आदि गोपियां जब
And
आई,
Radha and other gopis, when they came,
कृष्ण क्या की?
what Krishna did,
चतुर्भुज धारण कर लिया।
so he was not able to carry the four arms form. So his two arms enter into his stomach. That's why it is called Petagaon.
ये लीला
Pet.
तो सब आप लोग जानते हैं।
So all
इसलिए महाराज
this
जी
Leela you know very well. But what Maharaj ji given the beautiful instruction here? What is the principle here? Everybody used to hear the story. We are hearing the katha for last 40 years.
इसलिए महाराज जी
But Srila Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj, what he given the Tattva Siddhant there?
ये देखो जो जिन लोगों ने राधा जी के छोड़ करके
So the person who has
क्या करना? क्या बोला?
left the association of Radha ji, association and the guidance of Radha ji,
छोड़ करके कहाँ पे?
and
कृष्ण के ढूंढने के।
they were going for searching Krishna, so they cannot get the Krishna.
उनके चतुर्भुज दर्शन।
He will take the darshan of four arm forms. So Shri Maharaj is describing there.
राधा जी के अनुगत्य में
But
लोग
the person who are following the instruction of Radha ji and who has taken shelter of Radha ji, so they took the darshan of Krishna. So what is the lesson here actually?
भजन करना है।
If you have to perform bhajan, if you have to do service,
राधा जी के
so you have to take the shelter of Radha Rani.
सेवा करना।
This is the tendency here.
हमारे गुरुदेव
Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, my Gurudev,
ठाकुर कीर्तन सदा
so he used to sing the Kirtan of Bhakti Vinod Thakur. What is that?
राधा पक्ष छाड़ी जे जन से जन अभय
Radha Pakshi Chadi Jejan Sejan.
जे भाई हैं जे भावे से भगवत
बोलो.
আমি তো রাধিকার পক্ষপাতি সদা
I am to Radha Paki Pakpad Sada. Kabu Nai like
हमारे गुरुदेव
my Gurudev, Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
इसी कथा मुझे बार-बार
he used to recite this katha again and again, Kirtan again and again. Except Radha ji, leaving Radha ji,
यदि कृष्ण अन्वेषण कर खोजने के
and if you are going to search Krishna, you cannot get Krishna. You will get Narayan, or maybe you can get here and there things, but you cannot get Krishna. That's why under the guidance of Radha ji, you have to serve Krishna.
देखो हम विज्ञान भारती को कितने बार लीला कथा को श्रवण
So we have heard the Leela Katha, the character of Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj. But what a beautiful Tattva Siddhant given by Maharaj ji. The person who have left Radha ji and go away forward, march forward. So they cannot get Krishna. They cannot get Krishna. We are not criticizing. We are not criticizing anybody. Many peoples before the parikrama,
और वैष्णव अनुगत्य नहीं अपने ही स्थान पर जाते अपने प्रणाम करके बस चले जाते
so many people I have seen, I am not criticizing anybody, they used to go for parikrama, but they are going alone, doing the Dandar Parikrama with their some fellows and coming back. I am not criticizing anybody. What Maharaj is saying here,
क्योंकि जब तक हम वैष्णव के
because
अनुगत्य में
if
नहीं करें
we are not doing the Braj Mandal Parikrama under the guidance of Vaishnava, we cannot get the fruit.
वैष्णव के अनुगत्य में
So we have to follow the instruction and take the shelter of Vaishnava.
विचार में इसी प्रकार वैष्णव के अनुगत्य में
Under the
ही
guidance of Vaishnav, we have to do Vrajmandal Parikrama.
परिक्रमा हो।
We have to do the Parikrama.
हम कोई सब समालोचना जो
I am not criticizing anybody. The people who are going that Maharaji, we are going and we are going along for this way and that way. No, I am not talking my view. I am talking about the Maharaji view. What Maharaji?
कथा सुना कि नहीं सुना?
Have you heard the 5 Murgas Katha?
आप लोग सब विद्वान हैं।
You all are learned people. You all are scholar.
हाँ, सुनिए। किंतु वास्तव इसमें से महाराज जी क्या करें?
So what Srila Maharaj is giving his
देखो,
view.
यहाँ पर शिला महाराज जी साक्षात यहाँ पर करें।
Srila Maharaj is saying himself,
राधा जी के छोड़ करके
leaving Radha ji, Srila Maharaj is saying, Bhakti Vigyan Bharati Goswami Maharaj is describing here,
राधा जी के छोड़ करके राधा जी
leaving
अनुगत्य
Radha
नहीं
ji,
करके,
and if you are not taking shelter of Radha ji, and the person who are searching for Krishna, they cannot get Krishna.
हैं? आप इसको पढ़ो अच्छी तरह।
So you have to read this very nicely.
आप को नहीं।
Did you spoke this point, Krishna's Prabhu? Maharaj ji, I didn't speak today, but I have spoken earlier.
हम किसके समालोचना के मुख में नहीं जा रहे।
I am not criticizing anybody.
क्योंकि गुरुदेव आप प्रकट होने के बाद
When Gurudev was disappeared, many people are doing many things. I am not going on this way.
महाराज जी मुझे विचार दिए।
But what is the Maharaj's views is here, so I am telling that views only. I am describing that only.
कोई अपराध नहीं।
So that's why nobody take offense of mine.
इसलिए यहाँ पर करें शिला महाराज जी करें
Srila Maharaj is saying,
के अनुगत्य नहीं करके
if somebody is not following the guidance of Radha ji and they are searching Krishna without the shelter of Radha ji,
जिन लोगों ने श्रीमती राधा जी के अनुगत्य करके
and who has taken the shelter of Radharani,
और पहुंचे
and
कि कृष्ण दर्शन
they will search the Krishna, so they will take the darshan of
हम
Krishna.
वैष्णव के अनुगत्य
So what is the
में ही
meaning here? So under the guidance of Vaishnav,
कृष्ण
we have to serve Krishna.
जो कुछ भी करें
Whatever we do, dham darshan,
वैष्णव के अनुगत्य में
whatever we do, we have to do under the guidance of Vaishnava.
इसलिए कहा गौर আমার যেসব স্থানে করল ভ্রমণ রঙ্গে সেসব স্থান হেরব হেরব আমি প্রণয় ভক্ত भक्तिविनोद ठाकुर
Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying,
चैतन्य महाप्रभु की जहाँ जहाँ पर चरण चिन्ह है
wherever the footprints of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu or wherever the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu perform the Leela
हिंदुस्तान को कैसे
or Radha Krishna perform their Leela, so where we go there, why the under the guidance of Vaishnava.
अनुगत्य में नहीं किया
If we haven't go according under the guidance of Vaishnava, so we will not get the phala.
सुंदर सुंदर
Srila Maharaj ji, he has given so many beautiful examples. For last 40 years I am hearing and listening this katha, that what is the Leela of Petagaon, what is the story of Petagaon.
किंतु देखो शिला महाराज
But Srila Maharaj ji, he has given a very deep view here.
इसको पढ़ते हृदय गदगद हो
When I heard this, so my heart was so much pleasure, got pleasure.
हम वैष्णव के अनुगत्य यदि नहीं करें
So we are not taking the shelter of Vaishnav, so we won't get the fruit.
इसलिए वैष्णव के अनुगत्य इसलिए भक्ति हम प्रभुपाद ने क्या कहा
What Bhakti Siddhanta
आश्रय
Prabhupada
विग्रह के आश्रय विग्रह स्वरूपिणी
did.
आश्रय विग्रह स्वरूपिणी श्रीमती राधा के अनुगत्य में आकर विषय विग्रह
So, under the guidance of Ashray Vigrah, Srimati Radha Rani, we have to serve Krishna. This is our purpose.
श्रीमती राधिका और आकर विषय विग्रह आकर माने मूल
Akar means mool, the origin.
विषय विग्रह कौन है
Who is the Vishya Vigrah? Krishna. And Ashray Vigrah? Radha Rani. So, how we have to serve Krishna? Under the guidance of Radha Rani.
तो उसी
So,
प्रकार
in the same way,
वैष्णव गुरु वैष्णव के अनुगत्य
under the
में ही
guidance of Guru Vaishnav, we have to serve.
तब हमें प्राप्ति
Then we will get the fruit.
है। समय हो गया
The time is going to be over. There are many beautiful views of Maharaji. He is here. Whenever I read this, so my heart fill up with so much joy. So I would like to speak one other view of Maharaji.
अच्छा लगा आप लोग के
Whatever you spoke, I like that. So whenever I hear about your mouth, whenever you speak, so my heart,
बोले आप लोग के सुनते रहे
I get so much pleasure. I would like to listen every time.
एक बार जिला हमारे जिला गुरुदेव श्री नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज
Once my Gurudev Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he was performing Aswastha Leela. He was in Delhi that time.
श्रीला महाराज जी ने
Then Srila Maharaj ji,
श्रीला भक्ति
Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, भक्ति विज्ञान भारती
भक्ति
गोस्वामी
विज्ञान
So,
भारती गोस्वामी महाराज।
श्रील भक्ति विज्ञान भारती गोस्वामी महाराज,
तो उन्होंने उनके जहाँ तक कहा वो चंडीगढ़ गए।
he had to go at the time Chandigarh. He came in Delhi
समाचार मिला
and he got the news that Maharaj is Srila Maharaj Narayan Maharaj is performing Aswatha Leela. He is not well today this time.
दिल्ली में भी आए
So at the time
और
he-
उनका भी तबीयत ठीक नहीं था।
And
इसलिए
he was also not well.
उन्होंने साक्षात रूप में
So that's why
महाराज के साथ मिल ली।
he was not able to meet with Maharaji because he was also not well.
श्रील महाराज जी ने कहा देखो
Srila Maharaj ji
आचार्य की
said-
लीला, जो असुस्थ लीलादि जो है
So the Acharya who are performing the Aswastha Leela, why they are performing Aswastha Leela?
हम लोग जैसे बद्ध जीवों को जो है
They would like to
सेवा प्रदान करते
they would like to give the service the Baddha Jivas. In the Bhagwan what is said? Anugraha Bhaktanam Manusham Dhyama Ashram.
भगवान नित्य गोलोक वृंदावन में जो लीला आदि करते
So whatever the Leela Bhagwan is performing in the Golok Vrindavan, so the same Leela they took with the Parikar and the Dham, why the Yog Maya they arranges all kinds of Leela here. If somebody perform, if somebody take the darshan and hear that Leela,
इसी प्रकार गुरु वैष्णव
So-
की उत्तम भागवत की जो
in the same way
ये समस्त असुत्त लीला आदि है
the Guru and Vaishnava they are performing the Aswastha Leela. Why they are performing this Leela?
हम लोग की जैसे बद्ध जीव
So that the Baddha Jeev like us, they get the service.
उनकी सेवा और दूसरे जो है इसमें दो प्रकार की विचार है।
So there are two kinds of views here.
ये बिल्कुल कनिष्ठ जो है
The person who are so much Kanishta, they are not able to understand.
आज समझे? कनिष्ठ कहेंगे अरे
Kanishta will say,
संत महात्मा
if Sant
तो
Mahatma,
इनके इतने बीमार कैसे
then
हो?
why they are suffering so much here? If they
थोड़ा
are
बहुत
Sant
शास्त्र में
Mahatma,
सीख लिया, कहते हैं एक नाम है जत पाप हरे पापी साधु नहीं तत पाप करे।
if somebody listen a little bit and reads a little bit scriptures,
बीमार क्यों हो जाते
so why this kinds of people, the Sant Mahatma is suffering and they are feeling so much not well,
सीख लिया
why they are not healthy.
पढ़ा तो नहीं है सुना तो नहीं है ऐसे पढ़ लिया कहते हैं कि भगवान के नाम से ज्यादा पाप नष्ट हो जाता है।
So the person who is chanting the holy names says all kinds of sins will be destroyed. So they have learned many kinds of shlokas, that kinds of people, Kanishta people.
रुई के जो ढेर है
Just like there is a huge cotton is there, and if someone put a little bit sparkle there, so that cotton will be burst. So somebody got the namabhas, says all kinds of sinful activity will be destroyed. So they are so much big Sant Mahatma. Why they are suffering?
कष्ट क्यों पाते?
Why they are suffering so much?
इसलिए गुरु वैष्णव भगवान की लीला कहते हैं दो प्रकार की
So there are two kinds of Leela of Guru Vaishnava and Bhagwan. Mohini Leela. One is Asur Mohana Leela for attracting the Asur, the
और
demons.
अपने सजनों के जो है
And for their Swajanan, for their needed ones, they would like to give them service
उनके प्रति प्रगाढ़ अनुराग बढ़ाने के लिए
so that they can increase their love towards the Guru and Vaishnava and Bhagwan.
सिद्धांत तो थोड़ा सुन
So you have to listen this Siddhant.
अनुराग बढ़ा
So they would like to increase their love.
इस असुत लीला के देख करके
So seeing that Aswastha Leela, all the
भक्त से विचलित नहीं
so the Anuragi devotee, the person who has so much love and affection, they are not disturbed.
एक सुंदर उदाहरण
Just like Maharaji given a beautiful example, Bhakti Vigyan Bharti Goswami Maharaj, he has given a beautiful example. Look, in the Bengal,
है एक कोई उस समय जो ब्रिटिश पीरियड था
there was the British period, British was ruling there that time.
तो उस समय
So at that time,
एक कोई विशाल जो है नाटक अभिनय बने
there was a play was going on.
यात्रा बोलते हैं यात्रा थिएटर देखा आपने
Have you seen any kinds of play? Because you won't get the time, or everybody has the mobile, so they are watching everything there.
पहले पहले
Earlier, what used to happen?
बहुत बड़े बड़े वो नाट्य कंपनी
So there are many kinds of natya people. They used to play drama.
कंपनी होता है वो यात्रा थिएटर आदि दिखाते हैं
There are many kinds of natya company.
नाच दिखाते
They
हैं
used to perform, they used to show the dummy dance, what we call puppet dance, puppet show. So in this way, there was a play was going to happen. So
अभिनय करने वाला
in that play, the people who were performing, they were so much nice actor.
उस नाटक के विषय वस्तु था
So the subject of that play was
संसार में नारी निर्यातन। क्या होता है नारी निर्यातन? क्या
what is Nari Nirjatan?
स्त्रियों के ऊपर किस प्रकार से उसके पति अथवा घर के लोग किस प्रकार कष्ट देते हैं।
So how the people is giving so much suffering to the ladies of their houses. So they would like to show that subject in that play. So nowadays it is happening in every house, which is called Nari Nirjat, Niradar. How the ladies are suffering nowadays. So how their husband, their brother-in-law, their sister-in-law, their father-in-law is ruling on them. They are giving so much suffering to them. So they would like to play that. They would like to play that show that play. So the person who were performing that play, they were so much nice actor. So at the time, what happened? Ladies were not performing the play in the play. We have seen at that time there was no lady. She was performing any play. She was not taking any part in play, because the person who was following the character of a lady, that was a purush. They were the gents. They used to play the role of the ladies. Gents used to play the play of ladies that time. Ladies was not performing any play. So nowadays everyone is performing, and what to speak about in the foreign country, ladies are performing with the men nowadays. We have seen this is not right actually. This is not our Indian culture. So this shouldn't be provided. What Srila Maharaji wrote, I am just telling you. So that there was a play was going on. How his husband, his brother-in-law, and his sister-in-law, they were suffering to her. They were snatching the hair, and they were holding the hands of that lady. So they were doing like this, just like Dushashan did with the Draupadi. So in that Leela, there was a topmost. So who was the chief guest there? Who was the chief guest there? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar was there. He was the chief guest. He was so much a scholar. He was so much learned people. In that play, he was the chief guest in the audience. When he saw the play, what he did, when that people was snatching the hair of that lady and they were holding the hands of that lady, so that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, who is a very scholar person, everybody known to about his name, so he was so much observed in that play. He take off his shoes, and and the person who was performing, and he throw that shoe on that people. So the play was over that time. So all the performers who were on the stage, because Ishwar Vidyasagar is a chief guest, and they took the shoes of that Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar and took that shoes on their hand. The play was over that time. So now, at that time, all the performers, they said our play is successful now, because the chief guest Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, he was so much observed in the play that he take off his shoes and throw on us. So the person who was performing the play, the gents who was playing the role of the ladies, because they knew that I am not the lady, I am gents. And the person who is snatching the hair and the teasing to that ladies, they are performing the Leela. So the person who were performing the Leela, so they were not affected with these things. What is the meaning here actually?
वैष्णव जब
when Guru and Vaishnav,
सेवा लोग उससे कोई उनके चित्त विचलित नहीं होता है।
so when they perform this kinds of leela, so the affectionate devotees, they are not disturbed by this leela. Just
सब
like
कैसे हो जाता है, बेचैन हो जाता है। किंतु जो सेवक लोग जो है वो क्या करते हैं?
so the devotees, pure devotees, they always have the patience and they are never disturbed by this leela, and they perform their seva only.
और अपने को धन्य मानते
And they
हैं
feel themselves very fortunate,
कि आज मुझे
that today I got this kind of opportunity to serve my Guru and Vaishnav.
ये बुद्धि रखना पड़ता
They have this kinds of mentality.
है। इस संसार में लोग जैसे हैया रे मैया रे
In
दिया
this
रे
person, in this world, we have seen people are crying, "Oh my mother, oh my father, oh my brother, sister."
गुरु वैष्णव की
But
ऐसे अष्ट लीला
if Guru and Vaishnav performing this kinds of aswastha leela, so the pure devotee, they never disturbs. They always have the patience and fortunate, feel themselves they're fortunate, and they serve their Guru and Vaishnav.
विचार दिखाया।
So Srila Maharaj Ji given so much beautiful views there. So Sevak must have this kinds of mentality that by the mercy of Guru and Vaishnav, I am getting this opportunity to serve them.
जैसे कृष्ण भी द्वारका में अवसर
Just like Krishna was performing the Aswastha Leela in Dwarika,
बुखार लीला हो।
that I am suffering from fever. Aarti.
अभी बरकाल बताएंगे।
So we will discuss about tomorrow. Bolo Vrindavan Lal ki jai, jai jai Shri Radhe.
श्री राम
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा।